Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Uh, how are you guys? I can see me as well. Sync forced me to show my face, put a cam on for you guys. Right, let's see who's here. Okay, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Let's see where the market is. Right. Okay, who's in? Hi, Po. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hello, Eliada. How are you guys doing? Right, okay, let's see. Hello, hello, sir, hello. Okay, yeah, pretty much daily. I have nothing on the daily except obviously we talk about this morning. We tapped into this fair value gap here, and then hi, Devanshu, good morning. Good morning, pumpkin. Flipping hell, flipping hell. Right, okay, let's get back to. Right, okay, we tapped into this fair value gap, retested this CISD on the daily, this bearish fair value gap tapped into it. So we got quite the reasons why the price is bounced from here. So we came in here, 6 hour, we achieved the targets 200%, 250%, I think, on these back-to-back fair value gaps over here. 200 and 250 missed, 250 missed, reached 200, and then obviously we have about these targets as well, 400 and 450%. So, I mean, price started going up after the NFP finally. NFP came better, and then price started pushing up. So what I am watching here is, right, okay, let's get rid of these two lines I was watching this morning. Okay, so we are in this 4 hour bearish fair value gap now, where the price is tapped into, fill this gap over here. Right. Who else? Okay, 90 minutes. Okay, well, yeah, you can just, rather than 4 hour, we can just mark the 90-minute here. 15 minutes. Okay, what we have in 15 minutes. What I'm watching is before the market open, if we go reverse all the price back, come tapped into it, and then I'll be looking some sort of acceptance or rejection, basically. So this is the area I'll be watching. This is the news candle over here. So this is all news price action I'll be watching. So this is 8:30, 8:15. This is the news candle. So we not much. I mean, I didn't expect. I was expecting more. 226, 27 points. Isaac, how are you, man? More about 350, 400 points move. But let's see. And they were asking me this morning, the price is already retracing, yeah. So any initial pump on NFP always retrace back to their lows, and then from there we can, frame. Any shorts, I'm not looking for shorts. Only one reason is I'm gonna wait for this order block here to get inverted. This is the order block that took all this liquidity, previous day high, and then obviously tapped into this. So we come back here and maybe go back up again, or maybe just invert this, and then I'm looking for a lower prices to these swing lows. Very clear plan. Let's see if we get something. I maybe price keep going down. I don't have a trade before open. I don't want to enter the trade before the market opens. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna wait. Hi, Gomez. Uh, so I'm gonna wait for the market anyways. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So let's see what we got today. We got 5 minutes. Let me set my account. I haven't heard anyone traded this morning before the NFP. Zach, did you take? I mean, you normally take news candles, isn't it? News trade. Did you take any trades? Anyone this morning? Right, okay, top step, $8. Okay. My gold swing, I open sprinting. Look at the gold, man. Can you see the chart? Back-to-back fair value gaps on 4 hour here, and the target's 200. Yesterday, Matt, 250%, and we're about to get to 400, 450% in this fair value gap, daily fair value gap. So I mean, I think last week or a week before, I told you till in this accumulation, and then we're gonna soon maybe break out to the lows or to the highs. So that's what I was watching, and I entered. What was my entry? Oh, sec 4 hour. I think I have entered in this zone here somewhere. And that's what I'm watching on a BTC. Soon you're about to get a breakout from here to this range on this daily fair value gap, or this, EMA basically on this one. Let's go back to NAS. All right. Okay, it's reversing. Just one long in London, quarter 1, and then I close the computer. All right, that's a good thing. I mean, you got one winner, and then what else do you need? One winner is enough on NFP day, pre-market, I mean, London session, you know. Took the long slightly later than HM. All right, okay. So I wasn't long before. Oh, you in a long before. Have you closed the long, or you got stop out, or still holding? Nice day today here, man. It's nice and bright. When sun is out in UK, it's makes you feel so good. Otherwise, I'm from Manchester. Manchester flipping raining every other day. Almost like 8 months in a year. It's pissing down all day. Excuse me. Right, okay, 1 minute to open. Let's go, let's go. Hopefully we'll get something. All right, we're about to come back to this other block and then this fair value gap. You closed before news. Ooh, shit, man. Look at that. You missed 250 points move. Right, right. We're gonna wait for 5 minutes and see how the market reacts, and then. Were you trading, Zach? You trading on Top Step, Apex, or any other profile? Lucid, TPD, and Top. Okay, take profit traders and then Top Step. Right. Okay, quite a few of them. How many accounts you got? Looking okayish reaction from this fair value gap, this 15 minutes fair value gap, but this massive fair value gap. So we need to wait. We need to wait. Well, not anymore. So we in this 5 minutes fair value gap. This is a news candle. So I mean, I'm not framing any short till we have all this news, data, price action, and FV price action. Till then, no. And obviously, I'm looking for higher prices anyway. So let's see. 8, all right. All 50Ks or any. The thing is, this price action not leaving any fair value gap. I want to say, all right. It looks nice. I think I'm gonna buy one here. I'm gonna go long, and my entry is was 60 2976050 60 over here somewhere, then stop loss to this low. I'm in. Let's see, these equal highs I'll be watching. Right, okay, it's a nice, I don't want to, okay, that's a nice reaction. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, and this expansion, I'm gonna move my stop loss to, actually, I'm gonna take a one. I open 4 contracts. So I took one off. Looking nice so far. Anybody enter the long here? Anyone in the long? Are you in? All right, okay, good stuff. I just keep telling you, I open 4, I close one over here, and I'm gonna close a second contract here, and when the price reach here, sweep this, then I move my stop loss to break even and I'll target. Okay, let's see. I think there was a 4 hour fair value gap. Right, okay. 90 minute, okay. Yeah, that's fine, looks fine too. Right, okay. Looks pretty good so far. I mean, nothing to worry about. Good stuff. Keep manage your position. Take like the TP whenever you want. If you know. 712. Looking at this price action, I'm gonna move my stop loss to below this body where we got the CISD candle, just below this body, and that's gonna be 712. All right. Okay, I'm moving 712. Okay. this fair value gap still holding the price. If you're gonna invert this fair value gap, I don't want to be in the trade. And then obviously I took a over here. That's it. Sleeping hell. Is it? I'm out. Yes, I'm stopped out. So let's see if we got another opportunity. That was a quick scalp. Let's go. I'll be looking for long again after sweeping all this, and let's see. I know. At least I booked some partials. There was such a nice reaction, like leaving flipping back to back, no back to back. Yeah, leaving. May try again maybe in a bit. You were in long, HM. If we haven't moved the stop loss, I just kept my stop loss here, still in the trade. But it is what it is. Gone. Right. I'm going to be a little patient here. I just want to see what exactly market want to do. So it's nothing clear so far. Where's music, Dave? There's no music. You didn't play music today. Put some nice music on, man. Select something. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. So this level here from where the price is rejected and this level where the buyers are coming back in. So I'm watching these two levels now, and let's see if we hold these two over here and then obviously this area basically. Bro, what sort of music did you put, Dave? Flipping out, you gonna put me on sleep? Anyways, I'm listening my own music normally. I listen music here is while I'm trading. What fidget and music. You come back to one mini again, bro. I think you promised to all of us that you're not gonna trade more than two micros and you back to mini. You're down for a day and now you're on 550 up. TR, yeah, that's cool, man. I'm more or less like a break even. How you like the music, guys? Dave has selected some music for you. Comment if you're happy with the music, one, if not, two. Looks nice now. All right, okay. All right, you can't hear anything. All right, okay. Why I am hearing it, I don't know. You can't hear anything. What? I mean, you can't hear me as well? Somebody confirm if you can hear me, or are you talking about music? I'm watching the price, guys. I just want one confirmation, not shit kind of like this. Give me a body close on a candle over here. Let's see. Oh, just the music. Thank for confirming, Paul. I thought you can't hear me either. This back and forth price action is we need to wait for confirmation. All right. Rejecting again. I've noticed, the first half an hour is very boring price action. I mean, the whole week, I think the first half an hour, 40 minutes, we always have like this, and then we get some nice price action. So this is like first 15 minutes. So uh, look at this 15-minute candle. So sub 15 minutes. I mean, not much. It re 6 8. All right, about 120 points in between. You're looking good, man. Mid 30s, very nice. Thank you so much. I'm not mid 30s. I'm 43, bro. Thank you, thank you. Increase the volume. I think it's fine, Dave. Is anyone in this trade? Any trade? I mean, not this trade, in any trade? Guys, there's some music. I mean, not for today, for we share some music to put on the stream so I can, put it for for the Monday. Yeah, going forward. Yeah, something to break, man. Something to break. But liking it, the way prices agitating to go down and this 5 minutes fair value gap it is expecting, and maybe you're gonna get something a fake move down to sweep all this quick, and then everybody want to short, and then probably this is where it's gonna go higher or just dump to Asia low. But so far there's nothing clear where the price want to go. Look at these 5 minutes candles. Wow. These 5 minute candle is just like first 5 minutes. Yeah. Price is within the first 5 minutes of opening. This large massive blue candle is still inside it. Yeah, still 5 minutes old, nothing. Nothing. All right, thanks for joining the stream, HM. You have a nice day and a weekend, May. I'll see you on Monday. This is so boring, man. It's nice to see yours face as well, sometime. Or when we do a Discord, you guys put a camera on, more interaction. Mhm. Yeah, maybe 15 minutes, yeah. You want me to mark it? All right, let's do first 15 minutes. All right. Well, I already marked it, didn't I? But this is the first 15 minutes candle. Normally, what you wait for, Paul, on 15 minutes, close outside on 5 minutes candle or a 1 minute candle. And let me see a 5 minute. So this is a 5 minute range as well. 5 minutes close. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Normally on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and then 5 minute or 1 minute candle. So basically, this 15-minute range is our 5 minute range as well. So normally, if I trade orb, if I trade a first 5 minutes orb, then I wait for a 1 minute candle closing outside, leaving fair value gap. Without fair value gap, I don't take the trade. So if it's say upside, leave close, and then next candle, and obviously somewhere a fair value gap here, and then I'll take the trade. 15 minutes, no fair value gap, just a 5 minute candle closer. I want one sweep of 29840. 29840 before down, or here. What's on 840? 29840 here. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But this is something I'll be watching. So, I mean, we can't really do anything in this price section. We have to wait. We have to be patient. We just can't throw anything. I mean, yeah. Normally, it's a nice PA on NFP days, after a price action of news scandal. You get nice moves up or down. So, I think we're going down. I think we're going to go down for a bit. I think here or no. I mean, if this thing goes down, dump, I won't take a shot. If your setup, your strategy allows you to take a shot, you're most welcome to take a shot, but I won't take a shot. Yeah, I was expecting that. I'm looking price to go down first down, and then we go up. Yeah, it is, but look for a good short scalp though. If we, okay, let's maybe I try a very quick scalp shot here because I'm bullish, but I want to see. I need a bit more acceptance and. All right, okay, I'm going one shot here, just a quick scalp, sell one and two basically actually. I'm gonna keep my stop loss above this candle, not too much of risk I want to keep on this trade. So okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. I draw it for you. What is my entry? 649, 652. Okay, 650. No. 703. Let's see. This is the trade I'm in. Small risk. No, my only two contracts actually. How do you see there is a lot of liquidity? Right. Okay. How do I see a lot of liquidity? Right. Okay. That's a good question. Basically, are you asking from Paul a lot of liquidity to the downside? You asking him or me? I didn't read the comment before. This is the sharp move down I want to see here. Quick, or you're gonna stop out quickly. Either of you may answer. All right, okay, that's fine. See, look, all these swings over here, they're not being tapped and swapped basically. So, I mean, you got New York AM lows, you got London lows, you got Asia lows. Obviously, when we come to the session, London high, Asia high, and all these previous day high already been swept, price been rejecting. All right, okay, one sec, I'm out. Right, that's a quick scalp, didn't work. Short against my bias, but that's fine. I thought it's gonna go to take all this liquidity over here, all these swings. So look at that in 5 minutes, these swings basically over here, New York AM lows, and then previously if we get a more push to the downside, then we can target that. But anyways, didn't work. And now, after stopping me out, it's gonna no, we don't use a heat map. I mean, on the stream, I don't use it personally. Order flow and volume, but no, here we use mostly ICT concepts. 600 is a quite nice area to sweep, and then let's see if this 600 holds. If price goes back and invert this fair value gap, I'll go straight long. Yeah, you have to pay for a heat map, monthly subscription. I think it's 50 quid, 49 something. I just need a candle close above this line over here, then maybe I can try as again very over here somewhere. It doesn't look nice. Maybe look like. Nah. Wait. I should have put my stop loss just above this fair value gap rather than on this candle, but I want it somewhere just over here, above this. Sorry, was entry over here. Wow. Yes, so yeah, that allows. Yeah. The one shoe you were asking me this morning when I was saying to you, NFP it came back to lows after open. See, and saying all the price action pre-market data is most of the time get reversed after the market open and you come back over here. So it's come back here now. So this is a range out, 5-minute close outside this range, but I won't go short. I mean, according to Orb Trade, it should a short now is a very normally you put a stop loss above the candle close outside, and then you can target 2R. So this is your 2R, but I won't go short. This is something like this, Asia lows, yeah, or maybe previous day low. But this is against my bias. I won't go short. I tried once and it didn't work. Yeah, maybe stop loss was too tight, but still, I'll wait. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. So in 5 minutes candle that broke outside the range. So this is the candle you broke outside. So you put the stop loss above here. So this is like from here till here, that's like a 92, 95 point stop loss for you. I wanted to these equal lows, these two taps sweep, and then I'll be in the long, but it just not really tap into this one here. I was waiting for the 600 area to, I kind of like this. So this is the last trade. Okay, I'm entering right here and stop loss low. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Very small risk, not nothing big, little scalps, two micros. We got CISD over here, candle close, and then the next candle. So far looking not too bad actually. It would be nice leaving some fair value gap, So, but let's see. Anyway, this is my last trade. I just want to see if these buyers maintain this, buying power here. If not, then probably price just gonna chop. All right. Look like somebody gonna get stop out again. Did you enter the short paw on based on orb trade on this candle? Did you enter the short? All right. Okay. Nice. 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 No, I'm in short. I don't want to short this market. Looks nice so far. I mean, just keep the stop loss here and probably, you know, Asia lows, or you're gonna get something like 2 or 1.7, 1.8. But aggressively manage your trade because I see all this, all this bit. This, yeah. You're going to be very aggressive candle to the downside, I'm expecting. I mean, when they come to these levels, this one, around 600. If you're going to go down, it's going to be a very quick, sharp candle to the downside. Right. No scalping for me. I'm done for the day. I will quick two scalp, both very tiny scalps, few points, but yeah, I'm out. Right, guys. Thank you so much for joining the stream. As I said, obviously, if you're on the show, please do manage it because it can reverse from anywhere. You know what I mean? So, and if you already made some gains this week, there's no point risking those gains in this price action. Nanoscalps, yes, very nanoscalp. So, okay, thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice weekend, and If you haven't joined our Discord, please do join our Discord, and I'll see you on. Thanks, handsome man. Thank you, Paul, man. All of you guys are, amazing. I'll see you on. You're still in what shot? Yeah, just keep holding it. I mean, your TP should be your stop loss. Just keep moving your stop loss, aggressively, and just ride this wave, uh, till where go. But I'm gonna be careful over here. So, okay, see this candle. After that, I say very aggressive candle gonna be down to see all this. Okay, so this is the liquidity some guys was asking. So this is when it happened when you come down to some sort of liquidity, this candle start moving big and printing big, levels and faster. All right, thank you everyone. I'll see you on Monday. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Take care.